Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I have for you a new knife company, new knife that I would like to share with you, and I will be talking about the ArtisanCutlery Falcon. And ArtisanCutlery is a newer company from China. They offer a wide variety of price points and beautiful original designs. And today I have for you this knife, which comes in a really nice pouch, a little bit better quality than from Genzo, but we will talk about the pricing later. And they also, I'll take it out, a really nice touch. They will give you also a card with the basic information about the model number, the materials used, and few informations about the care and maintenance. You can pause it and read it if you want. Nothing special there. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So ArtisanCutlery, as far as I know from my research, they will offer you around 3 tiers of products. The first tier will be a knife design with a G10 handle scales and a D2 blade steel. The second tier will have mostly the same designs, but it will have aluminium scale with also D2 blade. And the third tier will give you premium materials, so titanium, S35VN, M690 blade steels, and so on. So this could be positioned at the middle of the tier, quality tier or product variants from ArtisanCutlery. So the Falcon or the ATZ-1809P is a aluminium liner lock knife with D2 blade steel. It has a nice stonewash finish. You can also get them in few variants, like you can get it with a gray coated aluminium with few inlays, few variants of inlays. So you can get it with green, black, and carbon fiber. The carbon fiber will cost you a little bit more. Then you have also this variant with the black coated aluminium scales with the green inlay, black, and also carbon fiber. Okay, let's address the design of the knife. It has a really nice ergonomic design. I would say it is similar to a Hinderer XM18 3.5 inch, or also a Shirogorov 95 platform. So let's see the comparison right now. This is my 95 flipper. So they have similar design features, but they are not the same. As you can see, the position of the linear hole is somewhere else. You have a hump here, no hump there. All the 95s are frame lock. This is the liner lock version. Also the Hinderer is a liner lock version. So let's say I have a few design features from those knives, but I will regard them as a original design. The Falcon has a really nice reverse Tanto. Let's say reverse Tanto. blade shape, or maybe modify sheep's foot. So all the mid-tier knives and also the lower tier will come with this nice fold-over soft, let's say soft, medium soft, bendable pocket clip, which is a deep carry. This is excellent to see because it will stick only this portion from your pocket. It comes really nicely centered. From the factory, I would say it requires a little bit lubrication, so just put a few drops of your preferred lubricant inside. Maybe you use some nano oil or maybe burger oil. I have good experience with both of them, so okay. So let's talk about the specifications. So this is in no means a small knife. We have a 8.98 inches or 22.8, so almost 23 centimeters. The close length or the handle length is 5.04 inches or 128 millimeters. The frame is aluminum anodized to a black color. The blade is D2 with a hardness of 58 to 60 HRC. The blade length is 3.94 inches or 10 centimeters. The blade thickness is 0.15 inches or 3.8 millimeters. It has a flat grind blade with a logo, or the ArtisanCutlery logo, one side, and on the other side we have it is described as serial number, but this is no serial number. This is the product number of the knife without the ATZ part, which stands for probably artisan. Under the description is the blade specification, which is D2. And we feature a nice 3D sculpted or grooved G10 inlays. The position of the pocket clip can be reversed. Tip down, tip up. It has a stylized pivot screw on the one side and Torx on the other. So the pivot assembly is ceramic ball bearings, and the weight of the knife is 5.64 ounces or 160 grams. If you want to check out the company, they also have a nice website at artisancutlery.net, and they probably will have a different promotions on this site, so go check them out. Now let's talk about the pricing. So the ArtisanCutlery Falcon with a aluminum frame and G10 inlay will cost you $78.99. So let's say $79. If you want to switch up to carbon fiber, you will pay $83.99, so $84. These informations are from the site directly, so they can change, depends on when you're watching this video. I don't know if the pricing is included with any kind of shipping. Let's say no, there isn't, so keep that in mind. Now let's see a few comparisons. So let's start with the Benchmade large reptilian, a little bit smaller, small reptilian. Small reptilian will be small, of course. Of course it will. Often featured Endura from Spyderco, a little bit larger. Delica is dwarfed by the size of the Falcon. And let's see a SNG. So SNG is smaller. And let's see a SMF. Strider SMF. It's larger. Not that much, but a little bit. Okay. So this was the Artisan Cutlery Falcon. If you have any questions, leave comments down below. I will be more than happy to reply. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.